Wasn't hard, and it was a good challenge for me. Yeah, so now that Makokha has won, and me, I was number 18. So I feel like I didn't make it for the cut, but it is okay. I'm happy for him. When I go back to Kenya, I'm planning and hoping to be involved in more competition so that next time I perform better in an international competition like this. And also I'm planning to be involved with the more hearing people. And me and Wario, we have not participated in a lot of championship, and Makokha has been. So I feel when we go back home, this is one thing that I'm going to focus on, to compete, especially with the hearing people in Kenya, so that I improve my skill.